Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC and outdoor gear review videos. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. Also, channel memberships are available. If you're a channel member, you get special emojis in the live streams. You also get members-only videos periodically, and you get a chance to enter into the monthly knife giveaway. All right, folks, so today I went out to Walmart because I heard that they have some great clearance deals going on knives, and I was like, all right, I got to check out what my local Walmart has. And the reason why is because Walmart right now is going through a major renovation in a lot of stores. They're trying to make their stores look a little bit higher end, more high end, closer to like a Target. Not that Target's high end, but it has a little bit more of a refined look, so to speak. So let's get to it and let's show you what we got. So the first thing we picked up was a Cumulus by Ozark Trail. These came out around right before Christmas. These are a decent knife. I've shown this knife before on the channel, and for the price, these are clearanced down to $2. $2. So take a look at that. It's the 7.5 inch folding knife, ball bearing opening, aluminum handle. These actually look really good. It's got a frame lock, which is really nice. And these are a 3CR steel, so they're not the greatest steel, but 3.25 inches, 4.25 inch aluminum handle, and a frame lock with a reversible pocket clip. You could do a lot worse for $2. So that was the first. They had a few of their knives, especially the leftover Christmas knives, for $2. I picked this up. I am not going to take it out of the package because we may wind up using this in a giveaway. And if we give it away, I want it to be in its package. I'm going to probably go back and see if another Walmart by me has some other stuff to look at. But this was the first thing we picked up, and I kind of wanted to show that. Also, let me know what you think. I'm using new studio lighting. So instead of being lit directly from above, I'm lighting from the sides. So hopefully we don't get that glare when I try to show things in front of the camera. Although it looks like I may have to adjust the height of the lights. This is the first time, folks, with this lighting. Let me know what you think. Is it better than the old lighting? Did you even notice? You may not have. But let's push this off to the side and show you what else they have. And this is kind of cool. I picked this up. This is a Buck Bantam gift set that they came around at Christmas time. So you get the 284 Bantam, which is USA made. And you get a Buck leather keychain. These kits were going for $29.97. Let's bring that up so you can see that better. So they were going for $29.97. They're down to $17. I think that's a great bargain. This is a knife that I have already. I have it in one of my survival kits. It's not a flickable knife. It's got an FRN handle. The steel is only a 420 steel, but Buck does a great job in treating their 420 steel. So they hold up really well. It's a lockback. And I'm keeping this in the package because this may wind up going as a giveaway in the future. But it's a lockback. It's got the Buck Forever warranty. And it really feels good in the hand. It is a full 4-finger grip. You know, let's go over some of the specs. Again, made in the USA by Buck. You got that nice leather Buck keychain. So they're calling the specs on this. The blade itself, it's not a big guy. It's 2.75 inches, so 2 3/4 inch drop point. It does have nice swedging on top. The overall length on this is 7.375 inches. So nice size overall. So it gives you a nice size handle to grip. 3 3/4 inches, closed length. Weight-wise, the knife comes in at just 1.5 ounces, so you won't even feel it that you have it on you. Now, it does not have a pocket clip, so this is going to be something you're going to drop in your pocket, or you're going to put in an Altoids kit, because it will fit in an Altoids kit, or something to that effect, or a small EDC pouch like this one. So the handle, again, is a glass reinforced textured nylon. And this one has the mossy oak breakup country camo, which I like. You know, if you're going to be out in the woods, may not be the best idea, but they do have this in a safety orange and a black colorway as well. Those kits, the black and the safety orange, were at $20. I didn't understand why. It's the same knife, but still cheaper than the $29 price point. So it's a great deal. And considering these knives sell by themselves at around the $24 price point, so you're really getting a nice bargain here, you know. And I really have always liked the Bantam. Now, they make the Bantam in other sizes, but this is their smaller size. Like I said, this works well in an EDC pouch, Altoids tin. It does take up a little bit more room in an Altoids tin, but it'll do a nice job. It's a good one to keep in the glove compartment of your car, you know, because it doesn't have a clip. You know, it's that kind of knife. It's a knock-around knife, everyday carry. And again, Buck stands behind it with their forever warranty. You know, it's the 420 HC steel is corrosion resistant, which is really nice. It's not going to have great edge retention. You know, just know that. You know, but it is what it is. It's going to be easy to sharpen. And it's just an attractive looking knife. It's not a flickable knife. You cannot flick this in any way. You're going to slow roll it open, just from experience. The first time I bought one of these, I tried to flick it open, not realizing that it's not meant for that. And my thumb slid right up the blade, and it gave me the deepest cut I've ever had on a knife, because it is ridiculously sharp. I will say that from experience. So I just wanted to let you know what's out there, what you can get at Walmart. Now, Walmart had a bunch of other Christmas sets there. They had a SOG 4-piece set that was down to $20, and that had a SOG fixed blade, that had a SOG folder, it had a little multi-tool, and it came with a sharpener. It's a pull-through sharpener, but hey, $20, it was a decent deal. They had they had a Mossy Oak 4-knife pack, they had a Real Tree 4-knife pack, and they were all around the $20 price point. So I think right now you can get some nice bargains if you're looking for inexpensive stuff at Walmart. Like I said, check out these, because these knives, the ones that came out during Christmas, are not bad, and down to $2. Can you beat it? Probably not. All right, folks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment on the video. Let me know what you think. Have you been to your local Walmart? Have you seen any good clearance deals? Hopefully you have. And it's varying from Walmart to Walmart, just so you know. But check out your local Walmart. I found these in Newton, New Jersey. I'm going to head over to Franklin, New Jersey, to another store. I kind of live in between the two of them. I actually live in between 3 Walmarts. But I'm going to check them all out, see what they have. If there's more, I'll do another follow-up video. All right, folks. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate all that. Consider becoming a channel member. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.